What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boy, have we got some pretty interesting XRP news for you. A absolute reason to be bullish. In fact, two big reasons to be bullish on XRP. We're going to talk Metaco and a further banking strategic partnership with Ripple. So if you're bullish on XRP, you know what to do. Smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. We're on our way to 20K by the end of the year. And with that being said, let's take a look and see what's going on specifically with Ripple. 610 for the price, up about 1.08% on the day. Now, we did have a good rally overall in the whole cryptocurrency market on the back of a fairly tough day yesterday. And we see there 1.07 billion, down about 10% in volume, albeit we were down about 59 cents yesterday when it comes to XRP. But anyway, enough about the price. Let's talk about the news. So HSBC adoption of Metaco platform could drive interest in XRP Ledger. Now, remember, we've been talking about XRP Ledger now on the channel for quite some time and how this is going to become such a massive powerhouse in the financial sector and ultimately bringing that banking system into the blockchain. It says supporters of Ripple XRP reportedly see a collaboration of Ripple-owned infrastructure provider Metaco and financial institution HSBC as a sign that banks will adopt the Ledger protocol and the XRP token. Now, remember, we know that XRPL has been tested in terms of liquidity pools. We equally know that massive partnership with Uphold. And just really quickly on that Uphold partnership, we actually see XRP specifically becoming the most traded asset on Uphold, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as emerging as the top traded altcoin in the US based upon cryptocurrency exchanges. So a massive partnership between Ripple and Uphold. And you start to see where this is all playing out. You start to see these strategic partnerships, these massive liquidity pools, and ultimately how that plays out into this banking sector and ultimately the financial institutions getting involved. So this point here, the fact that we see Ripple with Metaco that they now own or part own, and then the link into HSBC, for me is the start of something big. HSBC announced on November 8th that it was using Metaco's institutional platform, harmonized as part of the bank's new custody service for digital assets. You have to bear that in mind. They are specifically looking into digital assets, and therefore that is a big news story. It gets better. Here we go. Mastercard looking like it could be coming to XRP as well. Prominent developer teases a major upgrade that could see the onboarding of Mastercard into XRP. So not only do we have HSBC, one of the biggest banking systems in the globe, we therefore see Mastercard potentially linking in with XRP as well, all forming part of the XRP ledger. I cannot stress enough how big this is going to be, given what it's doing, given the upgrades they're putting into it, given that automated market maker they're putting in, the liquidity pools, Uphold. It has all been brought under this massive umbrella of ultimately bringing financial institutions and the banking system onto the blockchain using XRP. Now, again, there's a lot to kind of go through in here, but ultimately it says XRP investors may be looking at one of the most important upgrades yet, according to a prominent developer in the community. This was revealed by the lead developer of one of the most major projects building on XRP Ledger, hinting that Mastercard integration may be coming. Obviously, we're going to keep you updated with everything that's going on with this and make sure that you do not miss a beat. All you've got to do is subscribe to the channel. But this could be a huge thing given HSBC, Mastercard, as well as all those licenses in Dubai as part of XRP. So that's why we ultimately therefore see a massive bullish potential when it comes to the price of XRP, with a shoot up to potentially 90 cents, even 94.08 before that $1 test. Psychological level will always be that dollar. You would expect it to hit it and bounce off. But when you think about what's coming and you think about what's been built underneath, it's almost an absolute certainty that we see this move. Now, it's all going to be about time. It's all going to be the length of time it takes for us to get there. But again, the point here is there is massive building going on, huge partnerships, all being aligned to the financial sector. And I think that is a very important point to reference. And again, a lot of people are definitely bullish on Ripple. It's had a pretty rough time recently. It's been pretty flat, but it does feel like the clock is about to tick down to zero and Ripple is about to explode to the moon. Now, what's going on with the price of Ripple? We talked a little bit about this in the last couple of days. This nice upward trend that we have following this nice trend line as we continue up. Now, interestingly, we have just seen the fact that we tested the 200 and broke above, which is good news. We didn't, however, get into the slightly smaller time frame of the 50 EMA. We actually tested it twice and got rejected. So we'll potentially look for a bounce off the 200 once again before we shoot up. Now, this is going to be the test that we need to break down, this downward trend coming off this local high at 63.81. But I think if we see a break above, as this red line starts to be more bullish, we we will get a bullish divergence and start to see this give us a move to the upside as well. The overall market looks in pretty decent nick. If we get a good move going into a new day here, then we could be set for a strong move. But as these partnerships build out and as ultimately the financial sector begins to dip its toe into blockchain, it looks like Ripple XRP will be the people they go to. Let me know in the comments, though, as ever, down below what you think of this. Do you think that we're going to see Mastercard and XRP? What is the other banking system or financial institution you want to see partner up with XRP? Drop it, as always, in the comments. And don't forget, hit the like button if you're bullish on XRP. It truly shows me you enjoy this content, and we'll keep you up to date with everything going on. And until the next one, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.